Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome you to our December new products video. Our first new product is this fuel pump module. This is for the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup gas engines. It's a complete unit. Gives you the sending unit, gives you a brand new fuel pump, and the pickup tubes. It's all completely put together, brand new. Gives you the wiring harness. And for the earlier ones, took a little different wiring, gives you the adapter plug. You just plug it in and wire it into your system. Complete unit. This fits the rear for the 92 to 97 steel tank. We also have them for the 92 to 97 with a rear plastic tank. We also sell this fuel pump module for the side 16 and 19 gallon tank. Retails for around $125. Really nice product. And our next new products from Union Pacific are these park light bases. These are on the Bronco. They go against the grill and your park light goes in here. Ford originally made them out of the gray rubber, which turns white and stuff and gets bad. They have the original rubber ones, gray. We have polyurethane black and red, but somebody has come out with a billet one. These are pretty cool. They're sold in pairs. This is a nice billet aluminum right here with a clear coat finish on it. Gives you the gasket that goes between the grill and the park light base. Then you slide your park light assembly in, bolt to the grill, away you go. Do it one time. What's also cool is they also did them in black. So there's an anodized black finish to it. These are also sold in pairs with the gaskets for the 69 to 77 Ford Bronco. Our next new product are these oil drain plugs. You know, if you got to buy a used vehicle or you got a vehicle that's older, people have used the wrong wrench on there, or a crescent wrench, kind of stripped them out, get rusty. Well, here's two brand new replacements. We have one which is chrome, one which is Ford blue. Come with a nice rubber seal for the back of it. These will fit from 66 all the way up to 96 on the Bronco, and from 66 all the way up to 97 on the Ford F-Series pickup. Really nice piece. Sell for about $3. We have these in blue or chrome. And our next new product is this steering box. This fits the 78, 79 Ford Bronco and the 76 to 79 Ford F150 four-wheel drive pickup. What's nice is this is a brand new unit. So basically when you buy this, it comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. There's no core, so if yours is bad, you don't have to worry about getting core charge. Sells for about $4.25. It's brand new. It's basically an OEM replacement. You take the old one off, pop this on the frame, bolt it in place, hook your hoses up, put your Fitment arm on it, and away you go. Bleed it out, and it's brand new. Brand new power steering box. Fits 78, 79 Ford Bronco, 76, 79 F-150 four-wheel drive pickup. Sells for around $425. And for our December web truck of the month, we're doing my 87 Bronco 2 Little Bucky. It was a SEMA truck back in the day. You'll enjoy the story. I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope to see you again next year. This is my 87 Bronco 2, 2.9, 5-speed Eddie Bauer trim. Motor Trend had this truck developed as a concept vehicle for the 87 SEMA show. They put in a SVO Mustang hood on it, painted the bumpers, put some lights in the front, some flaring on the bottom, some graphics, changed the wheels and tires. This was their concept vehicle for the 87 SEMA show. After the show was done, Motor Trend took it back to their skyscraper in Los Angeles, and it was under there. They used it for a chase vehicle when they went out and did desert shoots for pickup trucks and stuff like that. So over the years, they used it, stayed in the skyscraper. Then around 03 or 04, they decided to get rid of it, sold it to one of the editors. He bought it, and in turn, he moved here to Michigan to work for GM. He drove it out here. Then he came and seen me. He said, "Hey Jeff, I got this Bronco 2, it's pretty unique." He goes, "If you want it, I'll sell it to you. If you can promise me to keep it in the same condition it is." And that's what I've done. We had to have no room up here. We moved it from the back. Hadn't been fired in 10 years. I poured some new gas in it, put a new battery, fired right up. 84,000 miles on it, all original California truck. No rust on it. Paint's a little faded. It's a survivor truck, but it's got a cool history to it. Drove around the industrial park, drives really nice, just like brand new. 87 Bronco 2.